Hayabusa. That is a Busa, right?
You ever do track days?
Say what? Track days? Not yet.
Oh, you need to.
Yeah, I know. You do it around here?
I've gone to Coda.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Coda and then North Texas.
Oh, nice.
I don't live here. I'm from Abilene.
Oh, from Abilene. I went to college in Abilene.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, that's awesome.
Yeah, you'll have a blast on the racetrack on that thing.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it. How long you had the Busa?
Well, this is my friend's bike.
Ah.
Today I've got a 1000 RR.
Oh, nice.
These are good. I'd love to take this to Coda.
Yeah. Looks like a fun bike, man.
Right there, bud.
Of course. That mini wheelie. That's what a Busa is for right there. He's gone. 300 versus Busa. That'd be a fun race. Damn, a short bike. I should have gone. Holy shit. God bless Texas. Oh, I need to catch that guy. God damn, that's amazing. Oh, let's see if he pulls up next to me. Yo, that shit's badass. This is badass. God damn. What the hell is that blue thing on that car? Y'all see that? Oh, that's a sticker. Is it? No, what? It looks like it's popping out, but I can't tell. The painting, sticker, tape. Oh, it is sticking out. It's like a little block of something. I don't know what it is. There you have it, guys. Just another evening in Texas, taking my monster truck for a ride. Next to my broken down Chevy. You hear that? What the hell? It's that monster truck again. Dude, those wheels probably cost more than my bike. Nah, maybe not. Someone should do that with a motorcycle on top. 4 ginormous wheels, a motorcycle engine. That wouldn't work. Be funny though. I think my bike is smaller than one of its wheels. Holy shit. That thing could crush me like a cockroach. Let's see if we can get him to honk. Ah. It was worth a shot. Woo! Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. It's a good day. Alright, as always, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know. Peace.